Hi guys, now we are TNT in the factory. Look at these products, so many products.
It's 9 p.m. in China. Now we go to the production line to see how they manufacture the fish bait. Everything starts from the body halves. And Mary will put all the internal components inside. These rattles, hangers, and weight. Some fish have rattles, some not. This one have rattles, so it can make rattle sound. This multiplayer. So after it's being assembled, we'll go to the well machine, just like this, and they just press a button and the head goes down and they combine together. And after it's being welded, the lures will be put into this liquid. It's not water, of course. This liquid is to enhance its brightness and cleanness. You can see? So this is part of the process of how we make the fish lure bait in our factory. If you want to watch more video about the fish bait, if you like this video, please let me know what you want to know in the comment section, and I will bring more video to you in the future. Thank you.